Good afternoon. So we've been invited to like just a family friend small get together and just hang with some family and friends and enjoy ourselves, as this lady is looking at me very awkwardly as I am recording this. But yeah, so that's the plan. We're driving to Orlando. It's gonna be fun, so stay tuned. Grace, you wanna come in? Are you excited for Orlando? We're going to Orlando. Alright, we're about to go to Orlando, so it's gonna be fun. Hopefully we can get some footage there. I don't know how people are gonna react to the camera and stuff, so I don't know how much footage I'm actually gonna get from this, but I'm bringing everything. So
I'm so excited. I miss everybody there. It's okay.
oh my god, by the way guys, it's Grace's birthday. This good. Happy birthday, Grace.
Thank you.
And then Pabi, baby girl, let the ice spray. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me baby girl another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say.
So this is just simple dinner for tonight,
Nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK.
and then we go marinate this. So we got some kale here, cream kale. We got Nova's world famous goat soup for the hangover. Listen, this is the cure, the medicine. You know?
She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
They bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Oh no. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in.
Good afternoon guys, we're back on it again. Right now we're cooking. It's been raining all morning, so yeah, it's the 4th, so happy 4th of July. I just wanted to come here and say hello before, because I just feel like I just started the vlog without saying anything, and I think last night it just ended it. I think today we're just gonna be getting into like some more grilling, so yeah, that's what we're doing, cooking, just hanging with family and friends. It's gonna be a good time. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, let me try. The window's open.
It's good weather.
It has to be good weather.
Right. So what exactly are you doing over here? What are those? What are these things?
So this is hickory wood.
So we're gonna be smoking the meat for how long?
So we're going to be smoking the meat for about 2 hours, maybe 3, depending, how, juicy we want it. We want it really juicy, and, we got beef, we got
chicken.
We got beef, we got chicken. So chicken's going to go first. Beef is really, really quick. All we're trying to do today is make sure that all it's going to be just smoke inside.
And heat.
Smoke and heat, that's it.
What you putting in there? What's that sauce? Oh, it's salt.
And then Pabi, baby girl, let the ice spray. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me baby girl another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say.